My father-in-law saw the predator today. It's not a fox and it's not a coyote. It's good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today is moving day part 2. We are now going to be graduating our turkeys and our bigger hen chicks over to the area where the other ones were, because I graduated those ones out to pasture. Now it's time to move these ones on over there to hang out for a couple weeks until they get used to it. And then I'll release them out into pasture, and I'll bring my other 50 hens that are teeny tiny over here in a few weeks, and then they'll be able to get used to being on grass outside and being on pasture. So first, let's head on over and check on how these hens are doing out right now. This is day 2 of them being outside on their own. And then we'll check and see how they're doing. But first, let's head over to what we were doing yesterday, and that was cleaning up the mountain because of the predator issue. And guess what? My father-in-law saw the predator today. He was out here cleaning it up, taking down a bunch of the trees that were in the way, because we don't want any big trees growing up and falling on the barn and damaging it. So we're taking down any of the big trees.
How long do you think that takes to dry up?
Piling it up here on our burn pile that we have here. But while he was up here, he's seen the predator, and it's a bobcat. It's not a fox and it's not a coyote. It's a bobcat. So he said it was hiding, and it was looking right at him and staring him down. But my father-in-law didn't have anything with him to get rid of it. So he got the dogs to go over there, and the dogs have been up the mountain looking for it. Because once it knows that the food is here, it's not gonna stop. It's gonna take a lot to get it to move on to another area. But look at how clear this is. It's a lot harder for it to hide in here now. It would have to hide way up there before we would see it. You can see the dogs are up there. Ready, Sue, come here. Yep.
It's easy to come down, don't it? With that ladder, it'd be perfect.
Get over here. Alright, so that's what we're doing to help prevent the predators from coming down, clearing it up. So now let's go check on those chicks, see how they're doing. They're still wanting to stay over here on this side of the barn. What's the matter, guys, huh? Alright, so I got their coop all cleaned out for them from the previous chickens that were in there. Now let's head to the little barn and get all the ones that we're bringing over here to put into this side for tonight. I'm going to leave them in here tonight because it's already pretty late in the afternoon. And then tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, we'll go ahead and let them out to explore their new area. Alright, so we got the chickens in here. We got the turkeys in here. Now I have to go back and get the 30 chickens to put them in here with the turkeys. Last of the chickens are going to their new home. I wonder if I should do it on the other side.
What?
It'd be easier.
Go ahead.
Opening this up. Alright, we're gonna go around on the other side. It'd be a little bit easier to get them in. Hey, Dirk. All right, friends, so everybody is in their new home now and they're doing good. Tomorrow morning we'll go ahead and let them out for the first time into their little pen area. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.